seatbelt is dinging. That's so irritating. I can't stand it. I usually wear my seatbelt, but we're driving around the mall really slow, and I might want to jump in and out a few times, so I'm going to shut it off. Don't tell anybody. But this is how you do it. You turn the car on to accessory and let it beep 6 times. Then, in the driver's seat, you hold down the lock button on your seatbelt. Then you're going to click this inside and out of this, holding the press button, 20 times exactly. All the way in, all the way out, 20 times in 30 seconds. It's not easy. It might take a few tries. It's taken me a few tries. Let's try, okay? Then you start the car. See, the light is out. Let's take a little roll, shall we? At 15 miles an hour, the seatbelt should start dinging to remind me to buckle it. But it looks like I shut it up. Winning!